to eat.
Happy weekend, my dear.
Teacher, I
Uh,
I can see your screen. Your screen. Oh,
how
yeah.
about okay? Happy weekend, my dear.
Mm,
Wow. You're so beautiful today, my dear.
thank you, teacher.
Yes, I like your. Is it the jacket or a sweater?
Teacher,
Is it
can you say again?
is it a jacket, my dear, or a speaker?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, sorry, a sneaker, a sweater.
Ah, today is so cold, so I wear jacket.
Wow, jacket.
Yeah.
Okay, wow. So did you eat your lunch, my dear?
No, after class.
But I thought you ate already, my dear, because it's already 1 p.m. in your country, right? In Korea.
Right, 1 p.m. in Korea.
Mhm. But why didn't you eat your lunch, my dear?
Because I I don't try. I don't cook. I don't cook lunch. After finish, I will go out to I go out
With with
with my roommate.
I see. So what will happen later, my dear? Will you go out with your friends
No,
or with your roommate? So you will cook your own lunch?
mm, no, because we are I and my roommate wake up so late, so uh, we often uh we often eat so late.
I see. But what time did you wake up today, my dear?
What?
What time did you wake up today?
Oh, at 11 11 p.m. in.
Okay. So when you messaged me earlier, you just woke up?
Oh, yes, but but I have to uh wash the clothes, and
Mm.
uh I I have to clean up my home. So
I see.
I start I have to start quite.
It's okay, my dear. It's okay. Yes, that's good. But I think it would be better if you eat your breakfast, my dear.
Oh, I get prepared because I
Or
uh
you will eat your lunch. Mhm. But I think it would be better if you will eat your lunch on time, my dear.
mm, I know, but I can't wake up early.
It's okay, my dear. But aren't you hungry right now?
No, I'm not hungry.
How is that possible, my dear?
Because I think this is the habit habit
I see. But it's not a good habit, my dear.
habit. So, but I can change
Mm-hmm. I can.
change right.
Can you say it one more time?
Yeah, change right.
Mm-hmm. Chance?
Change. Sorry, did it change?
I see. It's okay, my dear. Change. You can't change it.
Yes. That's right.
I see. So, but for example, you will eat your lunch at 2 p.m. So, do you eat rice or just sandwich and something?
No, I don't. I don't eat sandwich. I often eat rice with Vietnamese food.
Oh, even though you are in Korea?
Oh yes, because Korea food I don't like.
Okay, but is there a Vietnamese restaurant nearby or near your house?
Yeah, near my house.
Hmm. Is there a Vietnamese restaurant?
Mm, uh, I around 1 kilometer.
I see. So you will go there by foot or on foot?
Oh, I go to restaurant by bicycle.
Oh, you know how to ride a bicycle.
Uh, I often go bicycle because in Korea there are many slope 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 slope.
Ah, slope?
Uh, that's right. Yeah,
I see.
so I have to go by.
Okay, but do you have your own bicycle?
Yeah, right.
I see, that's good. Do you know, my dear? I'll tell you a secret. Okay, another secret of mine. Okay, do you know? I don't know how to ride a bicycle. I have never tried riding a bicycle before.
Uh, before I go to bicycle.
Huh? No, my dear, I have never tried riding a bicycle before.
Why? Why?
Because I'm afraid or I'm scared I might get hurt.
Uh, yeah, when I was trying, I
Mhm.
I I I often practice to go bicycle to ride bike with my mother or my father.
I see. How old were you back then, my dear?
I um I feel like difficult. I don't I can't uh uh I can't keep balance. Right?
I see, balance. Yes. Okay, why, my dear? But
I,
of course, if you can't balance,
I can't.
I see. But uh, did you? How about your sister, my dear? Your younger sister? Does she know how to ride a bicycle as well?
Oh, yes, my young sister. She know ride bike.
Oh wow, she knows how to ride a bicycle.
Oh, you know uh electric bicycle.
I see.
Oh,
You have electric bicycle?
yes, electric.
Like an e do you know e-bike, my dear?
Uh,
Do
e
you know
bike.
that?
Uh,
Uh-huh.
no, I know it's
Electric bicycle, right?
no.
It's different. Let me search. Bike.
It's same. It is same the motorbike, but
Mhm.
but uh, but it but used by electric.
Mhm. This one, my dear. This one is famous in my country.
No,
This
no, no,
one.
no. In Vietnam, different from Korea. Two bike different.
I see. Bicycle. Like an electric bicycle. Electric bicycle. Electric.
Let's go in Vietnam.
Ah, in Vietnam.
Yes.
In Vietnam. I see this one.
Uh, this two in the light two.
This one.
One number one
This one.
number one in light two.
This one.
Yes, yes, right.
I see.
Same. I think same.
Oh, wow. So you need to balance, right?
Oh no, it's have to give a balance.
Yes. Right? Okay.
Motorbike.
Isn't it expensive in your country, Miti?
Yeah.
Expensive?
Expensive. So I think um, to my electric bicycle is the 20 50 in a thousand of.
Oh, wow. So I think it's expensive, my dear.
Yes, but it's can you so long?
I see. You can use it
Yes,
for a long time.
right.
Oh. But how about a bicycle, a normal bicycle, my dear?
Let's go.
Mm-hmm. A normal bicycle,
I think
a normal bicycle.
let's go.
Mm-hmm.
Now I
Which one?
just if let's go to market near my
This
house.
one. I see. Like this one, my dear.
Yes,
Oh,
same.
wow. But I really don't know how to ride a bicycle.
Bicycle, but my bicycle is see see it so cute because
Wow.
it has a pink it is a pink bicycle.
Wow. So you really like pink color.
Yes, right.
Yes. And my favorite color is pink as well. I mean,
Yes,
I like pink. It's like a girly things, right? Girly.
very thick.
Mhm.
Very right.
Okay, but how's your weekend so far, my dear? Do you have a work
Um,
tonight?
yes. Um. Uh. Recently, I have to because my restaurant have the customer.
Oh, until 3 a.m.?
Uh. 2 a.m. And so I uh, to go home. So
Mm. So what time do you usually come home, my dear?
I
Like 4 a.m.?
no. 2 a.m. to half past 8.
I see. So of course you need to eat your dinner after that.
But I have to take a shower. What my brush teeth, and I have to prepare anything. So I just so late.
Yes, so you will sleep at 3:30.
I I often go to sleep at 4 a.m. or 5 a.m. So late.
Wow, it's very late. So you will wake up at 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You will sleep only for 5 hours.
I prepare to finish winter break. So I think I have to go to sleep early.
When, my dear?
I have to go to school at March
Ah, this next month, my dear, right? Next month.
uh, next month.
Ooh. So starting next month, you need to sleep.
Early.
Do you know, my dear, that if you are used to sleeping late, you need to adjust your body,
What
or
thing?
you need your body to adjust. For example, you're used to sleeping at 4 a.m. and then suddenly you want to sleep early. Of course, you need to adjust your body clock.
Yes, I have to I have to sleep early, but I don't know because my restaurant uh, is finished 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 so late.
I see. So, what will happen, my dear? So, you will continue to work, and then after that, you will sleep early?
I want
Possible.
I want to quit the job, but I I don't know.
Maybe you can find another job where you can work, or you can work in the afternoon.
No, afternoon I have to in the afternoon I have to study.
I see. So maybe you can you can take or you can work at a restaurant from 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, maybe until 10 p.m., like 5 hours.
Oh, I don't know because restaurant is depend on customer, and I have to I have to clean up restaurant.
I see. How about other work, Miss Ear, aside from restaurant?
Hmm. I uh, I I am finding other work.
Like, do you know 7-Eleven? Do you know that, Miss Ear? 7-Eleven?
I know.
Yeah. I think you can also apply there for.
Oh, I don't know. I don't know what to apply. Apply where?
Oh, is there 7-Eleven convenience store near your house?
Oh, yes, yeah, many.
Oh, so maybe you can ask them, my dear.
Ask them.
Uh-huh. You can ask them if they are finding what do you call that one? An employee where you can work there night shift from maybe 6 to 5, 10 a.m. 10 p.m.
Yeah. Mm. I
and then
my
you will sleep at 12 or 11.
my friend often start at the 4 p.m. to 10 p.m.
Oh, that's not bad, Nazir. You can do that as well.
I I can do it. Uh, I think uh I, mm, I think I think I don't have many time because in the day
Mhm,
I have to study
mhm.
is book many times. I
Okay.
start at 6 p.m.
Mm, I see. So you need to start working at 6 p.m.?
Yes,
Oh,
so I, so it is difficult to find work available for my schedule.
or maybe cashier. Do you know a cashier? Like, I don't know if you have this, term, right? Do you know that?
Cassia,
Mm-hmm.
but difficult. I I I often miss I often uh, between numbers.
I see. But do you know, my dear, I've noticed that you can type easily, right? You're good at keyboard. Yeah, you can type, right?
I know.
How about online job? Do you want to try online job?
I don't know. I don't know to find job where online job where
I see. Do you know freelancer?
freelancer. I
Mhm.
know. He is a freelancer. Freelancer. Lee.
Yes, yes. I think she's also a freelancer. Maybe you can ask her.
Oh, I think I don't have enough help because because Lee has to spend any time to this work.
I see. So I think she has to work from morning to evening.
Yes, she she has to quit the study to work to do work.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Yes, that is why. But I think you will earn money,
Oh,
right? You
oh
will earn money. I think you will get paid generously,
no, I think I can
right? Do you think does she have a high salary?
salary.
Mm-hmm. High
Salary.
salary?
I know salary, but where where?
Maybe because I have many friends who works as a freelancer, and I think you will have a high salary.
I know. Freelance can receive high salary,
Mhm.
but they have to spend much time.
Mhm. Yes, and I think, for example, if you have class in the morning, you can do your job in the evening.
Evening. Maybe, maybe, but I, uh, I, I, I am
A
little.
busy. I am a busy person.
I am a introvert, right?
Ah, introvert
Uh,
person.
I often this book. He had it
Uh-huh.
before people.
Oh, wow. You don't like socializing with other people?
Yes,
How about now?
that is other.
But how about now, my dear? Do you think are you still an introvert person?
Mm, I often I familiar to I have to spend much time to familiarly familiar.
Commonly?
Uh,
Commonly? Oh,
no,
commonly.
familiarly, familiarly,
Can you say it again, my dear?
familiar. Right?
Can you type it in the chat box, my dear?
That let
Okay.
me familiar, familiar,
Familiar. Familiar? You need to be
yes,
familiar with.
or with other people.
Okay. Yes. Can you say it again, my dear?
Ah, I have ability to other people, so I can feel
Okay, I need to be familiar. Familiarize. Familiarize. I think the right word for that, my dear, is I need to be familiarized
correct.
with other people.
Yes,
Yes, instead of I need to familiar, you need to say I need to be familiarized. You need to be familiarized
ah,
with other people. And instead of I don't cook my lunch, you can say I didn't cook my lunch.
ah,
Okay. All right. But it's okay, my dear. Just don't be stressed about work. You need to take care of yourself.
I know.
Oh, okay. I'm going to ask you a question. Mm-hmm.
I I don't have a dependent, right?
Mm-hmm.
Dependent about me.
Oh, but I think you need to take care of yourself, Miss.
Mm, just confident. I don't have a confidence about me.
I see. Why? In what aspect, my dear? Like, aren't you confident of your speaking skills, your beauty,
No,
skills?
because your uh, the- my skill is not good in
Mm-hmm.
it's especially is uh my Korean language.
I see. So, You're not confident with your Korean language skill?
And
Oh, wow. How
in in the school, I have to start English. So I have much to study Korean.
I see. So I think you need to start by learning Korean alphabet.
So I have to work to learn Korean language teacher.
I see. So you have a Korean language teacher?
Uh, I can communicate with Korean people.
Oh, online?
No, in
I see. So you will have a one-on-one session with her?
Bangladesh. Oh yeah, yeah. Vietnamese girl, Vietnamese girl. I work.
I see. She's also Vietnamese,
Yeah,
but she's good at Korean language.
yeah, she's so good because
Ah,
she's go to she went to I don't, she has gone Korea for 2 years.
I see. So maybe
2 years.
you will also get at speaking Korean language. I think 6 months from now.
Yes, 5 months. 5 months.
Oh, wow, 5 months. So what do you usually do with her, my dear? Do you memorize script, or for example you need to ask how are you, so you need to memorize.
Um, mm, no money. When I communicate with my boss, I mm, usually I I have to have her help to translate between my boss and me.
Hmm. Can you say it again, my dear? You need to translate, you need to use Google Translation.
Yes, translate between my boss and me.
I see. So you need to have your cell phone with you.
Yes. So I don't have a confidence.
Confident, you don't have a confident.
Yes.
It's okay, my dear. It's normal for you to feel that way because you are not a Korean citizen, or you are not Korean. And for example, a Korean person will study Vietnamese, I think she will feel the same as well.
Also I don't want to continue the work, but I have to practice Korean language.
I see. It's okay, my dear. You can do that. And a lot of people here in the Philippines, they want to study Korean. It's their dream to go to Korea just to see their idols. So
Uh,
you need to consider yourself a blessed person.
like July, I have to attend Korean exam.
Exam?
Yes. So the to main to the main scholarship
I see.
maintain sorry to maintain scholarship.
Oh, so you are a scholar?
Yeah. No, I
Maybe you, if you are a scholar, then you are smart.
don't know. I actually I I don't smart. I am not smart.
Mhm.
I'm hard.
Can you say it again? I'm not smart.
I'm not smart. I just hard.
No, you are smart because other people can't pass that exam, but you did.
Hmm,
Hmm. Just
no.
believe in yourself. Yes. Yes, I think you need to have confidence. You need to believe in yourself because if you believe in yourself, your innate talent will come out and eventually you will starting to realize that you are good at everything.
Thank you.
Yeah, you will not realize it.
I will share with.
Yes, just think of it as your talent. Yes, because you have so many abilities and talents.
Uh, Drop.
Talents.
No, I no no.
Mhm.
Actually,
No, you know the right word for you is because you are humble.
no.
Mhm.
With me, I have to test it. Humble. Ah, no. Sure. It's actually
Mhm.
it is really.
You're a humble person, meaning you are not thinking of yourself as better than other people.
Yes. I My best friend is uh, Korean language so good. So I feel uncomfortable with when I go with her.
Because she's very good.
Yes, I maybe now nowadays I I I never I never go with her.
Mm,
So I I'm confident.
I see. It's okay, my dear. Do you know it's normal to feel that way, but you need to focus on yourself, your achievements, your goals, your potential, and your abilities.
Uh, I think I have to check in semester.
Mhm. Because, my dear, if you keep on comparing yourself with other people, you will not see your worth or your value as a person.
Mm,
But if you will focus on yourself, if you will focus on what you can do, eventually you will realize that you have a talent stored in you.
mm,
Yes, just don't be pressured. Always remember, my dear, you are just 21.
uh,
You are still learning and growing. Yes, always remember, don't be too hard on yourself. Take it easy. Take one step at a time. We have our own timeline where we can be successful in our own in our own way.
Yes, I will try to.
Yes, cheer up, my dear. You have a great potential to grow and be successful because you are hardworking, dedicated, and very down to earth. Yes.
Yep, hold on. Ah,
Okay, can you can you understand this one, Miss here, what I've sent you?
okay, chồng with me. Ah, how far in from your house, right?
Can you say it again?
Ah, how far is it from your house to work, right?
Mm-hmm. Yes, so I think we need to start from here.
No, right.
This one, right?
Teacher, house, right?
Okay. How? How? How could you say you love me? Okay, what can you see in the picture, my dear?
House, right?
House?
This
How?
picture,
Mm-hmm.
house,
Mm-hmm. There's a
that's
question.
how long? Why?
Mm-hmm. Yes, question mark. Very good, my dear.
How
There's a
long?
question mark. Mm-hmm.
Yes, right.
So, what do you think is the vocabulary word, my dear?
House,
Yes, exactly. How? Okay. So, my dear, can you please make a sentence using the vocabulary word how?
yes. Mm, I think how far? How long? How
How long?
how long? Right? Teacher,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Can you
Uh,
say?
how long? How long? How long will it take to finish this project? Right?
Uh-huh. Maybe it will take us 5 days to finish this project.
Project?
Uh-huh. Project. It will take us 5 days to finish our project.
Oh,
Yeah, did you get it, my dear?
say again, teacher.
Uh-huh.
Right?
You you said how long will it take us to finish this project, right?
Oh, right.
Okay, so I'm going to reply to your question. I think it will take us 5 days to finish this project.
Ask, I have asked, right?
No, my dear, I am just replying to your question.
And,
Or maybe you can you can also reply to my answer.
to my right.
Uh-huh. So 5 days. So we need to work for 5 days for this project.
I think I will I will for take a 5 day, right? 5 day.
Mm, yes. So are do you think is this going to be easy?
It's so easy.
Easy? Do you think it will be easy for us to finish this project?
For us to finish. I think if it is difficult project, I have to need much time, more much time.
Oh, you need to spend a lot of time.
Yes.
Oh, okay. It's okay. We can do it. Okay, next please here. Okay, next please here. What can you see in the picture? Sakit sa ulo. Ay, sorry. Okay, can you see it one more time, is here?
Next to
Mm-hmm.
car
Okay.
is
Play
the transport, right?
transport. Okay, let's see. Oh, bye.
But by car,
Uh-huh.
uh, right?
Uh-huh.
I go to I go I often go to school by bike.
Oh, wow, that's good, my dear. How about by bus?
By bus. If I have to go far, I will go by bus.
I see. Okay, next, my dear.
Ah, motorbike.
Oh, wow. Motorbike? Do you think is it a motorbike?
I think
Okay, very good. All right, so my dear, can you please make a sentence using the vocabulary word motorbike?
um, my father bought two motorbike for the for the some
Oh, wow. Can you say it one more time, my dear? Boss.
my bought.
Mm-hmm, very good, boss. Oh, wow. Can you give me a motorbike as well?
Yes, I ride a motorbike so good.
Oh, wow. But can you give me a motorbike, Missy?
Mm, Did you say can again?
Can you give me a motorbike as well?
My good motorbike?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I have a Gmate.
Oh, wow. Okay, next, my dear.
A car.
Yes, very good. A car. Do you have a car?
Don't have money.
Oh, maybe my dear, next year you can buy your own car.
No, I don't like to go by car.
Oh, but do you know how to drive a car, my dear?
Drive car? No, I don't know.
But do you have a driver's license, my dear? Do you have a driver's license?
License?
Mm-hmm.
Ah, license? Ah, license ride bike? License motorbike?
Okay, I'm sorry. Someone called my phone. And do you know Food Panda, my dear?
Fun? Ah, I know.
Yes, someone called me. He said that it's from Food Panda and I didn't order something.
Ah, now you are busy.
No,
Busy.
no, no, my dear.
No,
BC, can you say it?
busy.
Uh-huh. And my twin sister, do you know that I have twins, my dear?
Train?
Mm-hmm. Do you know twin?
I know.
Yeah, I have a twin.
Mm. Right?
Uh-huh.
Then
Uh-huh.
it's a sister or
Mm-hmm.
also young
Yeah.
sister. Oh,
Uh, my our mother gave birth to us 10 minutes, my dear.
1 minute. Oh,
Yes, I am older than her, 10 minutes.
so you and younger sister are identical, right?
Maybe, I don't know. Maybe I can send you our pictures and you can identify us.
You and younger sister are identical.
Okay, maybe. Okay,
So
you can guess, my dear. Later, I'm going to send you the picture. All right, next, my dear.
next picture.
Mm-hmm.
Mm. Train, train.
Wow, train. Yes, train. Okay, can you make a sentence, my dear?
Uh, uh, the train was delayed. Delayed. You have no.
Can you say it one more time?
The train was delayed. No, due to have no.
Oh, the train is delayed. So I think we need to change our transportation. We need to use our car.
Oh, yes. No. Uh, if I can't go by train, I have to take a taxi.
No, we have our own car, my dear.
No,
We have our own car. You will drive our you will drive our car, my dear.
no,
And I will I will sit on the front seat, my dear. You will drive and I will sit on the front seat.
no. Hmm,
Do you know that?
I know, but I think it's the same. Front or behind is the same.
But do you know, my dear, when riding a car, there's a driver's seat, right?
Right?
Mm-hmm. There's a driver's seat,
Uh, uh,
driver's seat, and then the front seat, and
I
then back.
I haven't seen on front seat, but
Oh, same. Why is it the same, my dear?
but I think in in the the car in the car the same.
Okay. Next idea. Oh,
But
mhm.
is a bus.
Yes, you know, the wheels on the bus goes round and round.
No,
Yes, the wheels on the bus goes round and round, round. And you know, you will you will dance with like this. Wheels on the bus goes round and round. And then with like,
sound right?
uh-huh.
Any sound.
Yes, round and round. Okay, so can you make a sentence, Daisy?
Bus right?
Mm-hmm.
Uh, a bus. The bus are broken down on two school. Right?
The bus is.
The bus broke down on the way to the school.
Oh no, we need to fix it. Do you have a tool, my dear? We need to fix it.
No,
Do you know how to fix a bus?
no.
I will teach you how.
When it broken down, I will transfer other words.
Okay, no, we need to say. And we need to help the driver.
No. I don't know.
We need to help the driver fix the bus.
Yes,
Okay, next idea.
plane, plane,
Okay, plane.
plane.
Okay, so can you please make a sentence?
Uh, we are uh we are flying to Korea on a plane tomorrow.
Oh, on a plane tomorrow. Okay, we need to pack our things. We need to pack up, my dear.
Packer, packer.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Our things because we need to fly.
hmm.
Like we need to fly like a butterfly.
He missed the plane. He plane because of the heavy traffic.
Oh,
Right?
no, my dear, your answer is correct.
Hmm?
Your grammar is correct. When you said that we need to travel from, we need to travel to Korea.
Oh yes.
Yes, your answer is correct. I am just teasing you. that we need to pack up our things because we need to fly like a butterfly.
No, 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 no.
Like this one. Fly, 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 butterfly. Do you know that?
Butterfly. Ah, I know.
Uh-huh.
It, it's
Yeah.
something like
Yes, like that. Okay. Fly like a butterfly. Oh, do you want to be a butterfly, my dear?
no, no, no,
Why?
no, no. I want
Maybe.
birdie. Ah, right.
Hmm. Do you know that I want to be a potato?
Potato. Ah, no, no,
I
teacher.
want to be a potato.
I want to be a
Mhm.
no.
Me, my dear.
Ah, why? Why, teacher?
Okay, I will tell you that next time. Tomorrow.
Number.
Okay. Okay, my dear, you need to eat your lunch. Okay, so thank you so much, my dear me. I had fun. Thank you so much. And don't forget to you drink plenty of water
Yes.
and take care always. Goodbye, my dear.
Uh,
Enjoy your weekend. See you again tomorrow.
last day.
Have a nice day.